In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll learn how to generate and share a WhatsApp link with friends or family. The process is straightforward and works the same way on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Since WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in option to copy your link directly, we'll use a simple trick to create it manually. Start by opening a chat with the person you want to share your link with. You can do this through WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any other messaging platform. It doesn't matter. Next, type WAME/ followed by your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure to include your country code at the beginning, using a ++ before entering your full phone number. Once you send this in the chat, that text will function as your WhatsApp link. When someone clicks on the link, it will automatically open a WhatsApp chat with you, allowing them to start a conversation instantly. That's all it takes to create and share your WhatsApp link. Hope this helps.